In this video, I will guide you how you can family share on Steam. So first of all, sign into your Steam application and then you need to simply head over to your settings. So simply click on it. Once you are in the settings, what you need to do is to simply go to the interface and then you need to simply go for this client beta participation and then click on the Steam Families Beta. Now once you click this, you need to simply restart your Steam and then you need to wait for a few seconds and this is going to automatically loads up. Alright, so once you have restarted your Steam, head over to your settings again and let's see if we have the option of family share or not. So let's click on the interface and as you can see, client beta participation is selected to Steam Families Beta, and if I click on family, we have the option of family share, which you can now click on create or join, and then this is going to take you to another page where you just need to click on join a family or create a family depending on the situation that you are in. Hope this helped. This is how you can family share in Steam.